Now we will speak about the private. So what does it mean? How we know what is private? Because this looks normal, so it means it's public. So the first thing is, what does it mean, private? Private means that you can use it inside the class, okay, but not in outside, okay, not here. You can't use it here. It means private. So it means it's private for the class, for the inside the class. You can do with it whatever you want inside the class, but no, you can't use it outside, okay? So that's private. But what does it mean that it's private? How we can say, okay, this is private, this is private? So the point is, I will store here, for example, or I will add here a price, okay? So in constructor, I will put here the price. So it means I have put here some price, for example, I don't know, $50, $60 and $70, okay? So, and now the price will be here, but I would like to say the price is private. So how can I say it? I will, in a normal way, I will write self.price, it's equal price, okay? And this price is this price. We spoke about it in the previous videos. But this means it's a normal way how to write it. So it means now it's public. If you would like to say, okay, but this has to be private. So it means you will write here 2 underscores before the price, okay? So now you say, okay, this is private. So if I will go here, I will erase this, and I will use a book1, and I would like to print book1.price, okay? So I will run it. So you can see here is attribute error. Book object has no attribute price. Okay, great. Maybe you will say, okay, so I will use something like this, and so put here 2 underscores, because we have 2 underscores here. So maybe this will work. I will run it, and you can see attribute error. Book object has no attribute price. So it's impossible to use it here, okay? But the problem is that there is a way how you can use it outside, but it's not recommended. We call it hack. So you shouldn't do that, okay? So please don't do that, okay? So you can write it like this. So the name of the object is book1, okay? Now you can say, okay, the name of the class is book, and you put here underscore, okay? The name of the class is book, and on the class there is an attribute 2 underscores price. So if I will run it, you can see we have a 50. So we are able to reach price of this book1 outside, okay? But this means for another programmer, don't do that. Please don't do that. It's forbidden. You can't use it like this, okay? Of course, Python just say, okay, I don't have another option how to create something private. So you can use 2 underscores, but it's a convention, okay? So me, you, and another programmers, we said, okay, 2 underscores means it's private. It means for us, for the Python community, it means don't use it outside, okay? Yes, there is a possible how you can use it outside, but please don't do that, okay? I hope you understand. So if something has 2 underscores, it means it's private and you can't use it outside, okay? That's the main point, guys.